Supreme Court ni Dagimung Rwmani haikhe Lukurok ni safety te animal welfare no Narwknani Bagwi Haste Hpahang Kaisa Tangbwtang Yago Naharkha Kraksalo Secretariato Kaisa Kokthum Panda Khlaikha Kokno Sakha Animal Resource Development Department ni Secretary Deepa Nair Asali Kokthum Panda Kok Sanan Thenge Animal Resource Development Department ni Secretary Deepa Nair Sakha Supreme Court Dagimung Sakmani abo haikhe no Haste Hpahang Samung Batang Yago Naharkha AMC ni bakhakte hapani yawa Animal Bird Control Center Snam Sakha Abai Hinute Badal Vidal Koklam Sakha Animal Resource Development Department Secretary Deepa Nair
Supreme Court of India একটা গুরুত্বপূর্ণ গাইডলাইন জাজমেন্ট দিয়েছিল this is regarding management of stray animals on roads as well as management of stray dogs management of stray dogs এর ব্যাপারে একটা বিস্তৃত একটা গাইডলাইনস দিয়েছিল সুপ্রিম কোর্ট has given a very clear guideline and এই গাইডলাইন হিসাবে আমরা ত্রিপুরাতে কি কি করছে और কি কি করতে লাগে আগামী বছরে और इधर की प्लानिंग করার দরকার আছে এই সব we are in fact here to discuss all these matters in details so এই রায়ের মধ্যে there are actually two parts in this judgment one is management of stray dogs and second is management of stray animals on roads and according to this guidelines the stray animals on roads as well as stray dogs have to be managed following the Animal Birth Control Rules of 2023. And according to this Animal Birth Control Rules of 2023, the responsibility has been given to the municipal bodies and the local bodies and the corporation to segregate, to catch the animals in a very humane way and also to place them in animal birth control centers and shelter houses. और ये shelter houses जो है animal birth control centers are the centers in which the dogs have to be sterilized and vaccinated and after that they are taken to the dog shelters and these shelters and animal birth control centers have to be run by the animal welfare organizations আমাদের ত্রিপুরার মধ্যে these animal welfare organizations have to be registered as per the Animal Societies Registration Act or it can also be done according to the Animal Welfare Board of India. They have also to be registered with the Animal Welfare Board of India. আমাদের ত্রিপুরার মধ্যে শুধু দুটো এনজিও या Animal Welfare Organization আছে যারা এইভাবে as per rule registered করে আছে and only they can be doing this work as per the statutes, that is as per the animal birth control rules. And in addition to this we also have given the responsibilities or directions have been given to the hospitals to maintain adequate amount of vaccines as well as immunoglobulins against rabies. In addition a lot of awareness campaigns have also been done by education department, health department, animal husbandry department to for proper management and also making youth as well as children and community aware as to how to deal with stray dogs or street dogs in a humane way actually. In fact, ABC center it is not established in a proper way in Tripura in all the places, but until ABC centers are established, the district veterinary hospitals as well as the state veterinary hospital can act as the ABC center temporarily. So these are in general regarding the management of stray dogs. If we take an example, the West District of Tripura and the Agadina Municipal Corporation has divided the municipality area into 4 zones and every zone will have one team and they also have helpline numbers. And if there is a stray dog problem anywhere in the municipality, so a helpline number the public can call and the call will reach their helpline center. वहाँ से instruction will be given to the task force to reach the locality. Task force से there are trained dog catching personnel also and even helpers. And they will help in catching these animals and placing them in animal birth control centers. And in Agartala, we have Animal Birth Control Center in Hpahang. तो वहाँ पे इन लोग dogs को sterilize करके, vaccinate करके, they will be taken to the shelter houses. And Agartala में we have shelter house in RK Nagar, and this is run by animal welfare organizations, which has been registered appropriately with the Animal Welfare Board of India. So this is one mechanism that has been adopted by the Agartala Municipal Corporation. All other municipal bodies as well as local bodies have also been given instructions to carry out these, that is to have nodal officers, to have helpline numbers, to have task force, to set up ABC centers, to set up shelter houses, all these and in all the places these actions have been going on systematically to come, and it will be completed in the next year. And we are also planning in the next how to take up these infrastructure activities as well as how to train the staff appropriately in the next financial year. Budget also we are planning for by both the ARDD department as well as the local body.
Razak Ragul Nishimi Omit Nikokthum Chini Khorang.